Chiki art! Hey kids, do you want to learn how to draw a microwave? Come on, let's begin. Draw a rectangle. And divide it. Let's draw the door where our food goes in. And the handle. And now all the different buttons. A big button. Some smaller buttons. That's where our number digits would go. And the main button. And some legs. Now let's draw a yummy apple pie inside. Add all the details, just like this. Some steam. Come on, let's paint. Start with pink. Let's go over the outer square. This colour is so sparkly and pretty. I love it. Sparkly pink microwave. Who would not want one of those? Being very careful to stay in between the black lines. There, now green for the panel. Nice and neat. Ooh, very careful to go around those little buttons. Use a small paintbrush for this. Now here's the tricky part. In and around. Perfect, well done. Now let's use yellow for the door. Wow, it's already looking great. This microwave is hot and cool at the same time. Going around your apple pie and your steam. Leaving the handle blank as well. Now for the big button, we can use red. And some orange for the smaller buttons. And some turquoise. And some pink too. Now purple for the small screen. And orange for the legs. Isn't this the coolest microwave ever? Now my favourite part, the pie. First some red. Brown for the base. There. Looks good enough to eat. And some turquoise. And a pink handle for our microwave door. Finally some green. And brown steam. And our microwave is done. See you next time.
Subscribe and watch more.